सुबह का चाय यहाँ पे ही होगा. Okay, they have automatic lights. I love this hotel instantly. A little scary.
अगले 3 दिनों के लिए हम होटल फॉर्च्यून पैलेस में रहने वाले हैं. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ द्वारका एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, पर उसके पहले मैं आपको हमारे इस होटल के रूम टूर पे ले चलती हूँ. इस होटल के लॉबी की सीलिंग काफ़ी ऊंची है और इसे वॉल हैंगिंग्स और वुडन स्ट्रक्चर से सजाया हुआ है. Soon we were in the lift. Can't wait to see our room.
I'll quickly give you a room tour. So I'll start from here. We've got a cupboard. ये मेरा हेलमेट मैंने रख लिया यहाँ पे. So we have got this locker. Nice. The cupboard is also spacious. Okay, they have automatic lights. Yeah, nice. And that's me. We've got a huge mirror over here. We have kept all our luggage. There's a television over here. Huge space where you can work. A nice chair, comfortable chair. There's a refrigerator. फिलहाल इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, but okay. We have got 2 Bisleri bottles. What's this? This glass has been specially sanitized for your protection. So thoughtful. Tea, coffee, sugar. What's this? Some milk powder. Kettle to make your tea, coffee. 2 nice cups. सुबह का चाय यहाँ पे ही होगा. Yes, this is really comfortable. There's huge space where we can work, and there's nice sofa where we can chill while enjoying the view of the city. Wow, superb. So there is this balcony also where we can go out. Wow. Whoa. I love this hotel instantly. Wow, nice. It's a little scary because ये जो इसका height काफ़ी कम है. But otherwise it's an awesome place to relax. Superb, superb. So we get a whole view of the city from the balcony. Let's go inside. Awesome. Let's close the window. Let's close the door. Okay. There's this. Which one? There's this lovely lamp over here. There's a side table, and that's the bed. Superb. Awesome. Awesome.
Your husband complimentary.
Yeah, husband complimentary. Kaika complimentary. Wow, superb. I'm really happy with this room. I think so far this is the best hotel and the best room that we are going for. And if you ask me for the price is only 1800, which is a steal deal. बहुत ही सुंदर प्रॉपर्टी है ये. Now I'll show you the washroom also. That's the washroom. Nice. Okay. So we have a hair dryer here. Excellent. Okay. So we get hot water and cold water both. Super. And there's this glass door. Wow, nice. So that's how it is. Awesome. Excellent. So this is our room. It's only for 1800 rupees. It's a steal deal considering the location and the property. Whoa! Yeah!